Hello, Leo, Sun, Moon, and Rising. So, ito yung iyong astrological reading for this full moon na magaganap ngayong July 21, 2024. Okay? Please do check your Sun, Moon, and Rising, ha? Especially your rising sign dahil magiging mas accurate itong reading na ito for you. Now, anyway, yung full moon na ito ay nagaganap dito sa iyong 6th house, which is yung 6th house has something to do with health, fitness, or your pets. Ayan, no? Kung may mga alaga ka. And organization or yung service na binibigay mo sa iba. And also, itong full moon na ito, yung magiging effect niya sa'yo is that maybe there's something na iniisip mo noon pa, no? Na maybe, gusto ko mag-exercise, gusto kong i-enroll ang sarili ko sa gym, sa Zumba. And yung iba, more on healthy living, no? Gusto ko nang tanggalin itong paninigarilyo. Tanggalin itong hobby na hindi nakakatulong sa akin. Maybe it has something to do with more on paglalaro sa mobile phones, and you want to throw this things away kasi feeling mo hindi na ito nakakatulong para sa'yo. So this full moon would help you na magawa itong mga ito. Okay? Especially yung iba sa inyo because you do have here Mars and Uranus at ito ay nangyayari sa iyong 10th house, which is yung 10th house has something to do with career and yung mga long-term na goals, dahil maaaring you feel like, and also the 10th house has something to do with father. So yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng yung tatay mo mismo or father figure ang nagpo-push sa iyo na kailangan mong gawin yan, ganito, ganyan, stop mo na yan, ganyan. Pwedeng may nag-uubliga din sa'yo, or maybe your career ang nag-uubliga sa'yo, nagsasabi sa'yo na kailangan mong gawin to, ganyan. And maybe it has something to do with your work then, because with your moon, might be may something na kailangan mong tapusin with regards to your work or your career or your daily activities, no? Na maaaring, yun nga, maybe your boss will tell you na kailangan mo na tapusin itong project na to sa lalong madaling panahon, especially with your Mars and Uranus na nag-uubliga sa'yo, no? Natapusin itong mga bagay na ito. And your sun, so nagkakaroon dito ng sun, and yung sun is nasa 29 degree, naka-opposite siya sa iyong moon, which is also 29 degree. Well, sa astrology, yung 29 degree is an anaretic degree. There's this real issues na maaaring may kinalaman nga yun sa decision making, but nandun yung because it's opposition moon and sun, nandun na yung kailangan tapusin itong mga ito. And there's this, the 11th house has something to do with endings. So might be nandun yung whether gusto mo or hindi, dapat mo talagang tapusin, because the 12th house has something to do with an ending, and whether it's something na itinatago. So yung iba, ayaw ko nang itago ito, gusto ko nang tapusin. And also, maybe yung iba natatakot sa karma, and pwedeng yun yung ipakita sa'yo ng full moon na ito na during this time, no? For example, sa bisyo, no? Pwedeng may mga taong makita ka or maging inspirasyon mo para mag-healthy living, dahil makikita mo sa mga taong ito na, pag hindi ko inayos ang sarili ko, baka maging ganyan ako. So, pwedeng ganun, And, yun. So, magiging malaki din ang tulong nitong full moon na ito para mas maging better person ka, maging mas maayos ang iyong health, ang iyong sarili, ang iyong work, no? Tuturuan ka niya para mabago ang iyong paniniwala at ang iyong sarili mismo. And this is for the better. No? Whether you like it or not, parang itong full moon na ito, magiging tatay mo na aayusin ka sa direksyon kung saan ka dapat mapunta or ano dapat yung gawin mo para mas maging maayos ang iyong sarili. Okay? So, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Please do like and comment down below. And if you do want to read or if you do want to hear readings like this in the future, just comment down below. Ma-appreciate ko yon. If you want to follow me sa TikTok, Unipre, i-search mo na lang yun sa TikTok. And if kung hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe, subscribe na lang dito sa channel na to. Help our channel grow. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all and bye-bye.